Today, we'll replace the Thunderbolt port on a MacBook Pro 13-inch M2, step by step. Start by powering down and removing the 6 pentalobe screws along the chassis edge. Lift the lower case carefully and disconnect the battery cable to prevent shorts. Remove heat shields and unscrew the mounting hardware around the logic board and port. Use controlled hot air and desoldering tools to heat and lift the faulty Thunderbolt connector. Inspect the removed port, compare part numbers, and photograph the damaged connector for reference. Apply flux. Position the new Thunderbolt port precisely on the PCB pads with tweezers. In slow motion, reflow the solder evenly with hot air until secure and flat solder joints form. Clean all flux residue with 99% isopropyl alcohol and inspect under magnification. Reinstall heat shields and screws, reconnect the battery, and replace the lower case. Power on and test both Thunderbolt ports with a known good cable and external drive. Final before and after shots confirm success. If unsure, seek authorized service.